to part 1 of our square framing video series. It's going to be a 3-part series, and I'm going to start out by framing square frames, then I'm going to finish weld and grind them, and then weld those squares into cubes, which will eventually be joined into a pair of cubes. Here I'm setting up the right angle fixture, and I'm using a little template that dictates the outside dimensions of my square. It makes setting up the fixture components repeatedly a lot quicker, so I just cut a little piece on my table saw and use that as a template. It allows for a weld gap and just makes it easy to set up. Spacer blocks to step my components up off the table surface a little bit so I don't have to worry about any heat distortion in the fixture table. I just use little pieces of 1/4 inch cold rolled steel that I've cut at 1 inch. I use them all the time. Once my fixture is set up, I'll clamp down the components, check the diagonals of the square to make sure that it is in fact accurate square. Once that's established, it's time to add the rest of the clamps and tack up the assembly. Making 4 of these square frames. Here you can see I'm using some of the magnetic rest buttons with the magnet turned towards the clamp, so they clip to the clamp's foot and allow me to step over the angled leg of the angle iron. It's a handy little trick. Once the fixture's set up, it's just a matter of dropping in your components and clamping it down and weld it up.